Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and software. Make sure your iPhone supports dual SIM configurations and install the latest iOS update. Once done, power off and insert the physical Nano SIM if present. Keep the eSIM QR or activation code handy. You do this because a current iOS and proper carrier data prevent activation errors. Finally, connect to Wi-Fi and sign into iCloud so profiles and settings sync. This reduces friction when you add or switch lines in the next step. You add the eSIM by going to Settings, Cellular, Add Cellular Plan, then scan the carrier QR or type the activation code. Follow carrier prompts to confirm. Once installed, label each plan so you recognize primary versus secondary, and assign default voice and mobile data roles. This matters because some apps and calls use the default line. Make sure to enable iMessage/FaceTime for the chosen line if you want synced messaging. Finally, test a data session and a short call to verify both services. You finish by fine-tuning defaults. Choose your default voice line and which plan handles cellular data, and set per contact preferences if desired. If something fails, restart the iPhone first. If the problem continues, reset network settings to clear old profiles, then re-add the eSIM. Make sure you have the iPhone iXID or IMEI ready when contacting your carrier because they often need those to activate remote profiles. This step resolves most edge cases and gets both lines working reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.